We are at Ranch Lakeside Use Area near Chamberlain, South Dakota. This area is operated by the Department of Fish and Wildlife, and it is free camping. We found it on Campendium, arrived yesterday. There were a couple other RVs when we got here, and it was beautiful. It was warm, sunny, not windy. There were 2 RVs when we pulled in. We drove around a little bit, kind of figure out where we wanted to be. I opted for Lakeside, and we got this great little spot, and we were relatively level right away. The other RVs were over in the grass area. Later in the afternoon, several others pulled in, 3 vans, a couple of RVs, a tent camper, and even one after dark. They kind of hesitated, poked around a bit, finally found a spot. Sierra swam yesterday. The beach to the, I guess that's the west of us, was very calm and lovely. The water was warm. I let her in, but she drank a lot of water, then threw that up. So today, with all this wind, she's not getting in the water. The water's pretty muddy and ugly looking. This is actually the Missouri River. However, they call it a lake. I don't think there's a dam below. I looked on Google Earth. I didn't see anything. I could be looking in the wrong spot. At night, it was beautiful. There were lights across the river over towards the town, and the stars were great. The area offers a few picnic tables, some fire rings, a pit toilet, and garbage service. And like I said, this is dispersed camping. It is free. We stayed here 2 nights. Wind came up. We're gonna head further east tomorrow, kind of hunker down. There's supposed to be rain on Monday. Right now it's Saturday, but let me take you outside and show you around a little bit. Hi, dog. She is dying to go back in that water, but it is not nice today. Hi, I'm Heather, and this is Jim. And this is Sierra, our rescue pup. She is a handful. We've lived what would be considered an alternative lifestyle for 30 years on sailboats. We slowly moved up, cruised the west coast of Mexico twice, and now for the first time in many years are boatless. The 3 of us are full-time in this small trailer and have started out on a new adventure in our R-Pod 177. We are Travel Small, Live Big. Join us as we share our campground information videos, our travels, our adventures, and explorations. Here's our view out our door. Launch ramp is over there with a small dock. And where we got set up. This is the road in. We'll walk up that. We stayed here September 2021 for 2 nights. The pros, it was free, lakeside, quiet, warm water, and hey, even the warm wind on day 2 hasn't kept any bugs away. The garbage service was good, and the toilet, and we had decent T-Mobile cell service. And the cons, well, the road in was a bit bumpy, and this would not be a place to be if a lot of rain was expected. There were a few leftover puddles from prior rain, and I had seen some photos of this place completely underwater. We enjoyed our stay here, loved the water and the view, and would definitely stay here again if we're in this area of South Dakota. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and remember, we like comments, questions, and campground suggestions. Thanks for watching.